a guided meditation for positive energy in this new year. I want you to have a feeling associated with this new year. So your year forms in a way and manifests in a way where this feeling keeps coming back in your life again and again and again. I want you to have a very beautiful new year. So let's begin. Let's begin by becoming comfortable. You can sit down or you can lie down, whatever feels best for you. There's nothing you need to do. There's nothing you need to fix. Just being in this meditation is enough for you. This meditation is not about effort. It's about a feeling that will magically shape your days ahead. First, I want us to calm your body together. So place one hand on your chest and one hand on your belly. Now I want you to feel what it feels like to breathe in and what it feels like to breathe out. I'd like you to let your shoulders drop as you continue to breathe. I'd like you to let your face soften as you breathe. I'd like you to let your tongue relax as you breathe. Your body already knows how to calm itself. You're just allowing it. Now I want you to feel held and supported. Notice what is holding your body. The chair or the bed. Maybe you're on a couch or a floor. Notice how you're being held and supported in this moment. You don't have to hold yourself up. Let your body sink and be held by the bed or the chair. I want you to notice the air on your skin. Notice any sounds around you. Nothing needs your attention. This moment is completely safe. I want you to feel safer. So let's inhale again. And as you do your next exhale, say to yourself, it is safe for me to slow down. One more time. It is safe for me to slow down. How good that feels. Now as you exhale, I want you to say, it is safe for me to be here in this meditation. It is safe for me to be here in this meditation. Very good. And now when you exhale, I want you to say, everything is perfect in this moment. Let's exhale and do that together. Everything is perfect in this moment. There are no rules. These are just gentle reminders. Let them wash over you. And now, let's move into the new year. I want you to imagine something very simple. Time has moved forward. You are now in the middle of this new year. You are still there, but something is different now. You are feeling different. Your life is feeling very different. Something is feeling much easier, much freer, much more open and expanded. Ask yourself, how do I feel inside my new life right now? just notice the feelings come up. No need to think, just let your body guide you. Now, what is the main feeling of this year? What does this year feel like? Is it calm? Is it steady? Is it open? Is it abundant? Is it freeing? Is it confident? Is it joyful? Notice the feeling of this new year in your body right now. Take a moment to notice yourself walking somewhere in this new year. And as you're walking, you notice this feeling again in your body, the feeling you chose. And then notice you're waking up one morning, and as you're awake, you notice this feeling in your body again. And one day, you're going to bed, and as you're about to fall asleep, you notice this feeling again in your body. And one day, you're speaking to a friend, and you notice this feeling again in your body. What is this feeling? Is it peace? Is it joy? Is it happiness? And one day, you are traveling somewhere, and guess what? This feeling is again inside your body. Allow yourself to feel this feeling of this year that keeps finding you again and again throughout the year. Allow yourself to feel it in every cell of your body. It's like a mini sun radiating throughout your entire body. What is this feeling? You don't force life to change. Your days change because this feeling is present in your body. And notice how your body responds to this feeling. Notice how your breath feels when you have this feeling in your body. Notice how your thoughts feel when you have this feeling in your body. This is how your new year feels, inside out. And now I want you to bring your attention back to your hand on your chest and your other hand on your belly. This sensation and feeling in your body is being held by your hand on your chest and your other hand on your belly. Moving forward from today, anytime you want to bring this feeling back, you can just put your hand on your chest and belly and remember what it felt like to have this feeling like a mini sun radiating throughout your body. This is the emotion of this year. This is how this year feels. and it feels darn good. And as you're breathing and relaxing further into this feeling, just remind your body by saying, "This is how I live now. This is what this year is about." Good. And now, keeping this feeling as an anchor in your body, it's always there to tap into. You can begin to notice the room around you. You can gently notice your breath. You can move your fingers and toes slowly. And whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes and carry this feeling into the day. And as you open your eyes, I want you to go to the comment section and type out, what was that emotion for you? What was that feeling of this new year? Type it in the chat so I can bless it. And I'd also like to give you a free gift in return for you typing it on the chat. And that is, in the chat you'll see a comment pinned of my free ebook. It's called The 12 Lessons of Freedom. Carry these lessons with you into the new year. You're going to see a totally new year than any year before, because these lessons are going to guide you to the best year you've ever experienced. You excited for that? Go get and download my free ebook, 12 Lessons of Freedom. And that book to me feels like a hug from the universe. So get that book. And now, you can slowly switch off this meditation and move forward in your day. Wishing you all a fantastic, beautiful new year.